Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am doing the Huda palette. I've had this since the VIB sale, and I've been using it nonstop. I love it. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. It is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's a great smoky kind of eye look. I use it for daytime all the time. I've used it for night. In London, I used it every day. I used it at night. I just love this. Every color is great on there. So if you want to see how I used it, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe on the very end. And if you're new, hello. Welcome to 2018. So yep, just keep on watching. Thanks. So the first thing I'm going to use is the balm. It's the Put a Lid on It. I've been doing this a lot lately, trying this product out, and it's just like a primer for you only use a little bit for your eyelids, for your shadow, and you just use a tiny bit. Did my eyebrows early just to kind of start it faster. So I'm going to start with this little taupey color. And I'm just going to use like a fluffy brush. Any brush is great that you guys have. So I'm going to put it in my crease, kind of really buff it out. This brush is super soft and it glides on color really well. And I'm bringing it all the way up to my bone here. So if your eyes start to, go down, you want to lift. So I am just gonna bring it up, bring it up. And I'm just using the little mirror that's on here. It's actually a good little mirror. It's very simple. So next I'm going to go in with this guy. I'm going to do my sheen. This stuff is really, the shades are beautiful. They're very satiny. And for mature skin, sometimes it's just too much to have sparkle. But I don't know. I think this brand, she does her sheens really soft and they glide on and they're not too crazy, I don't think. I really wish I could get that expensive one, but I have a lot of palettes. Okay, I'm just kind of putting this over my whole lid, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to get the darker one, and I'm just going to put it on my brush, kind of put it on the outer part. I don't try to put it too much in the crease. I don't want it in the crease too much. I don't like sheens in the crease. I'm just putting this on the outer part. And next I'm going to take a little brush, and this is the Sigma, right? Where are you? Sigma E45. And I'm going to go in with this like little brown, just a basic brown color. Put on my brush. And I'm just going to dab it on top of that guy. Okay, and once you're done, that is such a pretty look. Okay, I'm going to do my foundation really quickly and I will be right back. Okay, I got my foundation on, which is in another video. Stay tuned. I'll put a little more. I like this foundation, it looks good. Okay, I'm going to do under my concealer and get that kind of done with. Where is my concealer? So I have a new drugstore. I'm using my RMS in 11, I believe I am, yes. I have a new drugstore. I haven't done a drugstore in a long time, and I feel like I owe you guys a drugstore. I love this stuff, you guys. I love starting off with this stuff and just adding on to, if you need more coverage, just keep this as a base underneath because it has like a moisturizing effect. It's not drying. I got the Tarte Shape. Oh, I think that stuff is so drying. I think you really have to mix it. At our age, you have to mix it with some lotion. What is that? Oh, I got some cream in my hair. Hello. I just feel like you just have to have some lotion on it. It's just too much. Even the NARS is moisturizing, but I think it's just a little drying for my skin. So I just take a little bit. This is vanilla, and I just put it on a little brush, and I use it just to kind of cover a little more. I just take it and I put it where I need it, and then I did my finger into it because this does give a little more coverage than the RMS, but RMS just is a great base. And they match really well. My skin is not having it right today. Not having it. It's like, Okay, so I'm going to finish up my face. I'm just going to go kind of quickly. Okay, I am back. I'm going to go in with the palette again, and I'm going to do that brown color. Hello. I'm going to do that brown color. And I'm going to do it under my eyes, and I'm going to use just a little, where's my fluffy brush? I love this brush, and this is Eddie Bunkhauser, and I got this at the drugstore. I love this brush. It is the best under eye brush that I have ever come across. Way down, and you know why? It's because the tip it goes with, but the tip it moves, it bends, and so it's really fluffy. So it's not hard, which I love. And I'm just gonna warm up my bottom a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with that darker color that I used. I am just going to use that underneath. Okay, and I'm going to use some gel really quickly. I'm not going to use a ton. Or should I use, you know what, I'm going to use the powder. I'm going to use the whole palette. I'm going to go in with the middle color. This is like a dark, dark middle color. I'm just going to use an angled brush. This color was really pretty. And I'm just going to dab it. It's kind of the shimmer brown. It's a really sultry, that's a good word. It's a sultry brown. And I'm only going to use a tiny bit. I'm not going to like, you know, go all over into the very corner of my eye. And I'm going to bring it out a little bit. And I'm just going to make a little wing. Make sure when you put this on, make sure you tap a lot of the excess off. And I'm going down just a little bit on the edge of, like, here's your V. So I'm just doing it like in a V. Okay, next I'm gonna do some mascara. I love this look. I'm so loving my look. God, this foundation just looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna do slow burn. I love this twist. And then I'm going to do, what was this? Tiramisu from NYX. Love, love, love this. Okay, that is it. That is my eyes for the Huda palette. I think these are great. This is Smoky Obsessions. I'm really happy I got this. I think they are great palettes. Her stuff is amazing. It's soft, it's creamy, which is great for shadows. I would use a primer for the lids for creamy shadows because I think they tend to kind of slide a little bit, but I love, love. I want that big one so bad, but I'm not paying that much for a palette. I'm sorry. I love it. I want to get another one of these really bad. I just think it's great for traveling. So when I went to London, I used this a lot. This is like one of the main palettes I had, and I had my Tarte palette, one that I love that I use all the time, but this one was a great, I like my eyes looking like this in the daytime. I really do. I like a lot of, I like a lot of makeup, but I like sultry kind of makeup. Check it out, you guys, go, because these are the great little travel guys, and you can put this in your bag with little travel. I mean, you can use your fingers. I mean, I could have used my whole fingers for this, really. I mean, it's really nice. I really like it. So thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram because I'm on that a lot. So thank you for tuning in, and if you guys want to leave comments of what you didn't like or what I need to improve on from last year to this year, or what ideas or other videos you want to see. I know people want to do lotions and stuff like that. I am trying out my Shiseido that I've been using lately, and I like it. And then I'm doing Derm Store, which I'm trying new products out, which the end of the month I will have my review on December's Derm Store and what I liked and what I used and what I'm writing little notes down on those cards. So the goods and the bads and what I didn't like. So that will come the end of January, but just the whole 2017. What do you think I need to grow on? What do you think I need to add in? Yeah, so I can just get better for you guys this year. So if you're already a subscriber, thank you for tuning in and keep on watching me. And thanks for watching. And if you're new, welcome. And if you want to refer me to anybody, that would be wonderful. So, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.